Hey guys, thanks for coming back. Today I'm going to do a few unboxings. I have the Polk ES20s, these are the Signature Elite Series. I have my receiver, it's a Yamaha RX A2A, and this Polk subwoofer, the ES10. So let's get at that. Alright, let's start with these Polk Signature Elite ES20s. These are in white. Owner's manual. Styrofoam. Okay, here's a close-up look at these. These are pretty nice speakers. There's the hookup in the back. You can see where the port is there. Comes with this cover. I'll do a quick measurement on these so you guys have that. Looks like the depth is about 13 3/8. Width is 8.5. And the height is right around 15 inches. So it's a pretty big speaker. Alright. Stay tuned for the sound test on these and the mounting on the walls. Hey guys, if you like this video, please like the videos and subscribe to the channel. I'll be hooking all this stuff up pretty soon. My TV's on its way, and we'll have this room up and running. Thanks a lot.